everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on House of Zwide from the 2nd to the 5th of May 2022 on Monday. Mampo set her plans in motion, suddenly getting the Zwide parents worried while Faith pays Shogi a visit and Funani has a tough talk with Nkosi on Tuesday. Soga makes a surprising suggestion to Honor. Shogi struggles with a hard choice. Life at Nomsa's house is tricky on Wednesday. Soga and Ona's romantic night end in disappointment. Nkosi asked Funani a challenging question, suddenly upset Nambita on Thursday. After a disappointing night, Ona worries over the fate of her relationship while Sandile helped Nambita in pursuit of one. Soga gets tempted to cheat on Ona on Friday. Funani makes a shocking confession. Soga is filled with guilty. Tsepo pursues Nambita. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.